It's only 5 kilograms, this shit. It's a week. What package do I have for me? Fridge. Oh, hey, I just got a package. Let's unbox it. So, let's see what we got here, shall we? Recently, I ordered some things from AliExpress, and I thought, hey, free shipping. Let's see what I can get for my car. So, I present to you the first modification of this channel from my Scirocco. Metal pedal covers. Let's open up this bad boy. Really strong, by the way. Gas pedal, footrest, brake pedal, and the clutch pedal. Let's open them up, shall we? Nice. I've always wanted to get these. I have the rubber pedals, which are not that good looking. And these ones honestly look a hell of a lot better than what mine does. This is the gas pedal. Damn. Oh. Are they the same? Like this? So this, I think, is gonna add a little bit of a spice to the interior of the car. Let me know what you guys think of them. Yeah, I got this off of China, AliExpress. Fairly cheap, really nice, really sturdy. Some minor details here, like this, the paint's kind of wearing off here and here. This is it. If you want, I'll probably link it for you down in the description below. Let me know what you think of it. If you think it's gonna look great in the car, let me know in the comments. I have absolutely no idea how this is going to be installed. I'm gonna have to look this up. Hopefully you can install them today. Without further ado, let's install these to the car. I was going online to see how I could assemble these. If you see like the brake and clutch pedal, they don't have this plasticky wrap. These kind of look nice below. So I think I'm gonna just take this stupid plastic off. And it's the same thing for the footrest. If you like go below here. Yeah, and it's not even plastic, it's metal. So yeah guys, I'm gonna take these off. While you wait for me to remove these ugly plastics off my premium Chinese pedals, I recently discovered this metric on YouTube. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That says that less than 1% of my viewers is subscribed. I know I'm a small channel, but this is embarrassing, less than 1%. Damn, like you see people like with 60 or 40%. Please guys, if you're enjoying this video, all I ask of you is that you click the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it will really help out the channel. Thanks. Oh yeah. Not as satisfying. Way better quality. Doesn't seem that much like plastic. Looks like metal now. And it looks like way better. Here we are guys, ready for the install. I don't know if you noticed the difference, but now I'm rocking a brand new camera. Let me know if you guys notice any difference. We have our goodies bag right here, and I'm gonna go over everything for this install. Knee pads, because I'm guessing, you know, I'm going to have to get down on my knees, and not for the good reason. Pedals, of course, more pedals. Screwdriver, my left hand and my right hand, you know, as I'm used to doing it. It's a pretty simple mod. I don't have any equipment to remove the trimming. I'm going to try to remove the trimming using just my hands. First, it's this trimming, which I don't know how to remove. Shit. This shit hurts your fingers, man. Maybe I can use the screwdriver. I'm gonna have to go to YouTube again. Most people have some tools that make this process extremely easy, but unfortunately, I didn't have any of that. So I just had to use my hands, just like I'm used to. I heard a pop. My ass hurts. Shit. Oh shit, I hit my head. I just done this, and I'm already sweating. Still sitting on my ass. So I'm just so afraid of like breaking this. Oh, I just need to stretch my leg for a bit. This shit hurts, man. How do some people do this by hand? Like, this is crazy. Oh shit, my ass. I understand it now. Ah, shit. Oh, shit, I broke something. Yep, I broke something. Here's the piece that came off. Yeah, it doesn't matter. After a long time of trying, I was finally able to take off this trimming and ready to go on with the rest of the mod. Oh, shit. Oh, man, I stepped on this. I'm gonna have to clean this up. Just one moment. Now it was time to remove the hood release lever. This has a piece here in the back. There was a lot of inconsistent videos online. Some models you didn't even need to remove this. Some models you needed to remove this. But some models, after you remove this, you had to remove a certain bolt. I was really unsure about how I removed it. Just feel it around with your finger. I knew I had to remove a plastic piece on the hood release lever using a Phillips screwdriver. So it's kind of coming off. I tried it and I tried it. I feel like it's easier finding the clitoris than doing this, man. Did I do it? Nope. Feels like it's completely stuck there. I started doing this, it was still day, and I finished doing this at nighttime. Hang on, guys. YouTube to the rescue. It took me a really long time to do this. I fucking did it, guys! Let's go! This little fucker wasn't coming out. I was stuck here for ages. So this fucker, you have to put in your Phillips screwdriver in here until this shit pops out. I just went to YouTube and I noticed that they had like a longer screwdriver. Then I thought, maybe I have one where I have the spare tire. When my car broke down recently, you can check out the previous video. I noticed that there were some tools back there. There it was. And it came off first fucking try. 2 hours just to get this shit off. And no, like, how easy is this? Like, oh man, I feel like I'm being pranked or something. So it's this bolt here that we have to remove. All of this fucking shit was for this bolt here. And now we can finally unscrew it. Oh, this little fucker, brother. This little fucker. I'm so hungry. The screw is off. So now, just slide this up. And there it goes. Give me a match. So, it's in. So, like this. No. This. To line up. Ah, my fucking shoulder. So, guys, it's getting pretty dark out. I cannot get it to line up with the screw. So, I'm going to need to do this at another time when it's better out. So, I've been here for almost 2 hours just to get this shit off. In the wildlife. 1 week has gone by, guys. Just got my wireless microphone this week. It's taken me so long to do. You guys can see my entire evolution. Like, I started this video, I had only my phone. Now I have a camera and I have a wireless microphone. So let me know what you guys think of the improvements. I'm giving it all out this video, like my first mod, my first camera, my first microphone. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see that the content now is going to be so much better. So I have been driving around with my car like this. I couldn't get this bolt to line up. It's really close to lining it up. I really need to take my car to the yearly inspection. I cannot go to the inspection with a car like this because, you know, they want to pop the hood and they can't. So I really need to make this like today, really. This thing doesn't go any further than this. I've been trying this past week every time I drive my car to pull it down with my feet. Like, if this doesn't line up, I don't know what I'm going to do, really. But we're really close, so I'm going to try and give it one final push with my legs. So I got a real sketch set up here. It's really close. I can see the screw hole. So you can now see the screw hole there. I don't know if you see it. I fucking did it, guys. Look, you can see the screw hole. Only 2 more pushes. That's all it took. So the reason why I didn't do this before... Oh no, I dropped the fucking screw. I hit my hand on the handbrake and it fell between the seats. So guys, I got the screw back. So right now I really need to be very careful so that what happened right now with the seat does not happen, because if the bolt falls within the car's bodywork, that way I'm really screwed. I could have done this way easier if I had better tools. Yes, there's no reason to tighten this bolt too much. It's nighttime, I'm outside, I really had to leave. Try and do this all tonight. The pedals are pretty straightforward. The brake and the clutch, because it's just, you know, pull this off. But it's harder than I expected. Oh shit, one's come off. This is really stuck in there. Ah, my hand. I apologize for the lighting, but I only have my phone to use as a flashlight. The brake is the same thing. The brake, maybe it's gonna be harder. Oh shit, yeah, it's one of those things that you have to pull really hard, and then all of a sudden it explodes and really hurts your hand when it comes off. So you need to put them on from bottom to top, I believe. So one hole is done, another hole is done, and yeah, I think this is it. This is not quite there, but it looks nice, damn. Looks really nice. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And now for the brake. So the brake, I think it's easier because it's just one. Yeah, the brake is a lot easier. Stuck nicely. And there's a guy in the balcony on top of me just staring at me like I'm crazy. And I'm sure I look really crazy to him. I did the best I could, and I think they're on pretty nicely. For the accelerator, I don't know, like I think it's just to... Yeah, man, I think I'm going to have to glue this, maybe. Maybe I can stick it like this. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, maybe it needs a little bit of glue, but I think for now I'll just leave it like this because I don't think it's coming off. Let's see if I can just put it back together. So first this has to go from the bottom. Start from the bottom now. Yeah. Can you please just like, thank you. And this part goes here. Everything looks good. That's pretty easy though. So it's 3 little pieces. Ow, I hit my head. Like this. Then you put in the screw, so you're not putting the head. Man, doing this in the dark is really hard, guys. But at least we're doing it. Yeah, it's going, it's going, it's going. So yeah, you cannot tighten too much, I think. And now it's just a little cap. Exactly. And that's the screw. Assembling this is so much easier. Slap this on, and there it goes. And now it's just put the trimming back together. Ah, shit. Yeah, use a little bit of force. The only thing we have to test. Yeah, the hood popped open. Guys, the mod is fucking complete. Look at this, guys. Let's go. A long time later, guys, here we are. I was kind of in a rush in the last clip and I was able to finish this install right on time. You know, it was pretty dark and I wanted to show you guys the before and after, so I hope you guys like that montage. But yeah, guys, the pedals are finally installed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys could see the difference. Let me know in the comments what you think of the mod. I've been driving it for a few weeks. It works. The accelerator might need a little glue. The real question is it faster? Of course it's faster. Like, come on, guys. Basic car guy math. If it looks faster, it's because it is faster. I could pretty much race a Porsche right now and I would beat them just because of these pedals. If you say that I couldn't, you're lying. Like, of course I could smoke a Porsche with this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of it in the comments down below. I really like it. So would I recommend this mod? Absolutely. Like, it's really cheap. Like, it's very simple to do. Just that screw, it's a pain in the ass. The rest of the pedals is a piece of cake. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below, and also let me know what you think of the new upgrades. My videos should be getting better. Do you guys see a difference? Let me know in the comments down below if it's worth it. I see a difference. I'll still use my phone for shooting POV. Try to implement the microphone as well. I have 2 wireless microphones, which means I can have 1 microphone on me for you guys to listen to my voice, my sexy ass voice, 1 microphone on my exhaust, or you know, on my engine bay, so you guys can hear the engine way better, which is going to be clutch. Drop a like for that. I poured a lot of money, you know, as you can see, not only into this video, but I poured a lot of money into this video, and I'm really trying. Right now I'm almost reaching 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for the comments. You know, everyone has been enjoying it so much. Each comment that you guys leave me, each like, each subscriber just fuels me more. Even if it's a hater's comment, just fuels me more to entertain you guys and to show you guys that your dreams are possible. This is still a dream for me, of course, but I really want to make this happen. Editing sucks and shooting is really hard, and coming up with content ideas and installing mods is mentally draining. But for the sake of you guys' entertainment, like for me, it's all worth it. Like every time I see a comment or every time I gain a subscriber, it's all worth it to entertain you guys. I don't really see myself quitting. I'm having the time of my life doing this, guys. Please, if you enjoy this video, subscribe. That's all I ask of you. Less than 1% of people is subscribed to my channel, which is embarrassing, to be honest. You know, my goal right now is to reach 500 subscribers, 300 more to go. But I don't know, maybe if I reach 1,000 subscribers, maybe I'll show my face. Maybe. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Unfortunately, I've reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much if you're watching this far. And please let me know what further mods you need me to do. So I've had some battery issues and I probably will need to change my battery. But the next mod that I wanted to do was either an entertainment unit for this car with Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. And I really wanted to do an air intake, but I do not have money for now. So I'm going to be saving up for my next mod. So please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video and see you guys in the next one.